What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, High Quality Trade Setups, where I give you my highest quality trade setups in the market today, 100% free. Holla at your boy. First off, I would just like to say that I am not a licensed financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Please do not buy anything solely based on my advice. Do your own research and technical analysis before entering any trades. Thank you. Alrighty, I'm bringing to you guys an early morning video just to go over the price action that happened this morning due to CPI coming in a little softer than expected. Alrighty, guys, we are up uh, towards the 540 price target that I told you about last night, which is amazing. Heck yeah, high quality trades is up in the market. Okay, so we do have Powell speaking 2 hours before the market close. I will be watching for that. I believe we're looking for him to at least signal towards some rate cuts in the coming months, or at least by the end of the year. But if he somehow happens to come in hawkish with no rate cuts uh, in the future, in the near future, then the market will see that as a bad sign. And it is possible that we could fall back down to support, which would be the previous high right here at 536.92. Okay, I did know that there were a ton of contracts sitting at 540. So with this price action, those contracts are getting filled. Uh, so the market does not like to give everybody money. So I have a slight suspicion that Powell could come in hawkish at the end of the day. Okay, well, this is where we are at on SPY. We look to open around the upper daily expected move, which was thanks to Michael Silver at Figuring Out Money for giving me the daily expected moves, which was on the spot at 541.80, and the lower level expected move was 532.10. Go subscribe to his channel. He is one of my favorite YouTubers. Okay, so that is the SPY. Let's see. NVIDIA is up also to our first price target, which was 523.10. The bearish or the positive divergence here on the RSI did signal yesterday that we were going to get an upwards move in the market. So we will be looking for price to stay above 123.10. As long as we manage to stay above that, we should be headed towards 125, and to take out this all-time high of 125.59. Look for that if we stay bullish in the market. Netflix is also battling. Ooh, this candle was above earlier when I looked at the market, so we have dropped back below our trend line here, but this was the first price target I gave you guys yesterday. If we somehow manage to break out and stay above my green trend line here, that opens the door to 658.18, and then possibly 664.19. Also, Google, I believe, is hitting our first price target, which I told you guys about last night at, let's see, the high of this candle was 179.99, almost 180. We will see if we can break above that and reach, uh, well, I guess possibly this all-time high from earnings. That is where if we stay above the next price target is. Okay, Tesla came back up to the 200. We are battling with the 200 MA right here. I think I could get rid of this box since it was a gap fill. Okay, okay. Well, I do have an example for you guys of the positive divergence that I see, also called hidden divergence, I believe, that I gave you guys on the video. It was a small one, but Apple had a pretty big one that did signal this move on um, Tuesday. Towards the end of the day, I did buy some calls on Apple, but for some reason, at the end of the day, I decided to close them because I didn't want to hold overnight. But I did notice the divergence that was there. So I was looking at it like this was the previous low. Like, okay, this is how it works. What I seen was price. I could figure out what um, instrument I want to use to show you guys. Sorry, bear with me for 1 second. All right, we'll do a path. So we have high, lower, high, high. Actually, let's go to here. And then it does not want to keep going. Lame. All right, that's a high, lower high, high, lower high, high, lower high. Okay, guys, I don't want to get too in depth with this. What we have here is a high and a higher high and a low and a lower low on the RSI that did signal that we were going to get at least a bounce from this trend line here on Apple. Forgot to let you guys know about that in a previous video, but we also saw it on the video and I at least got to explain it on that one. Okay, back to the SPY. All right, usually we open up and stay at this price for at least until Powell starts speaking. So we will see what he says and how the market perceives it. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. This is High Quality Trades, and that is it for this video. Goodbye.